Hello, today we're placing the crown. First we'll convert the CT into an STL file to join it with our main STL file, this way, and then hit apply. This is called stylization. Then if we wish we can deactivate the vertical grid, we'll press import main STL accordingly. Easily the three link points are located to join them to our CT. Once finished, we'll move on to another step. Here we could stop at this step of precise matching, but we'll omit it and we'll go and draw our nerve. Once the midline is blocked, we'll press the draw button to regenerate the nerve. Here we can change the trajectory of the nerve in the area of the mental foramen. So in this way we can see in the rendering as the nerve comes out of the hole. Now we'll move to the implant surgery step, and as you can see, the inferior alveolar nerve comes out of the mental foramen. And finally, we'll access the EC walks-up step. We'll press load EC walks-up. In the previous video I showed you how to remove the deciduous molar from this STL file. Here we can adjust the crown to convenience, apical coronal or mesial distal. Here with the antagonist file we can verify its occlusion. Remembering that in a virtual implant planning the crown should go first before the implant placement. By accessing implant surgery, see you in the next video for Megagen's implant placement. Thank you very much!